anytime we talked about repairing something, it was always, yes, but that's tied into this, which is tied into the roof leaking.
It was literally raining inside the house. We saw rain pouring inside the walls.
We had to see the money that we had saved for those dreams just given away.
Cipriani Remodeling Solutions was featured on the Rescue My Renovation TV program to correct and finish a remodeling project that another contractor had walked out on. Initially, we were brought in by the show to fix a leak in the roof, but the project turned into much more than just correcting a leak. We restored the homeowner's stolen dreams by removing the chimney in the kitchen and opening up the space between the kitchen, living room, and dining room by adding a beam to replace the old bearing wall, and this really opened up the space.
Oh yeah, baby. This is what I like to see. Jay, this looks fantastic.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
On this project, I'm working with a guy named Jay Cipriani. He's an amazing contractor, and you know, I'm always talking about bad contractors. This guy is the real deal. It's really, really gonna be nice. Look at the size of this space.
It really opened it up.
Now, looking at the framing up here, this is a problem.
The old plaster and lath walls were removed and re-insulated with modern, high-performance insulation. We discovered the source of water leak in the home from gaps in the house wrap and counterflashing, and repaired that as well.
There's gaps in here, so water and air can infiltrate there, and even the counterflashing was cut short.
Brand new countertops, backsplash, cabinets, flooring, plumbing fixtures, and appliances were installed to complete the remodel and restore their dreams, the way that it should have been done the first time. Don't place your dreams in the hands of just any contractor. Choose the one that will do the project right, the first time, every time. Choose Cipriani Remodeling Solutions.